Mr. Shi, thank you for coming today. So we need to discuss what we found in your son's backpack. Now,
Oh my god, Adam! How can you do this to me?
Dad, please just let me explain.
I told you, if I find you doing it again, no more chance!
Has he been using it at home as well?
Only one time I caught him. Why you do this to me, huh? I'm sorry, my friends were all doing it, so I thought it would be okay if I did it
Me
too.
and your
mom made so many sacrifices for you to be here.
I should have let your mom do the abortion.
I knew it! How many times I have to tell you? We are the Asian! We don't use the calculator!
I promise you, he never uses again, okay?
No, not a calculator! We found 7 pounds of crystal meth in his backpack!